Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best password manager in 2025 by comparing Bitwarden and 1Password. If you're looking for the best password manager in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Password managers can be intimidating, especially for first-time users, but 1Password's clean design makes quick work of figuring it out. Its neatly laid out interface cleverly takes advantage of rich colors and icons to ease you into the experience. Bitwarden, on the other hand, lives up to its open source roots. It features a far more functional look that seems a little generic and outdated. Its boxy menus and sharp lines don't handle a dense cluster of information as well as 1Password and take longer to get used to. More importantly, 1Password organizes your passwords thoughtfully. On its mobile app's homepage, for example, you'll find your credentials listed under sections like recently created and frequently used, so you don't have to search or go through the entire list. Another feature is 1Password's desktop app's universal shortcut, which pulls up a spotlight-like search bar and allows me to instantly look up a login. And I also appreciated 1Password's ability to spot when I update a password. It would immediately pull up a pop-up to instantly change the saved login. The one aspect where Bitwarden one-ups 1Password is its ability to generate random usernames. Though you can ask 1Password to create a new, strong password for you, it can't generate unique usernames. Another upside Bitwarden has is its built-in private file sharing tool. It lets you safely share access to any kind of file, up to 500 megabytes, or a piece of text. You can passcode protect it, set it to auto-delete after a period, and even choose how often the recipient can open it. You can accomplish this on 1Password too, but you'll first have to add the file to your vault, and only then forward a link to it. Password maintains a complete update history for your logins, in case you need an older password. 1Password's comprehensive Watchtower tool also actively monitors your vault for exposure to breaches, while on Bitwarden you have to manually check for it. The biggest highlight of Bitwarden is that most of its core functions are free. The premium plan unlocks a handful of additional perks, like the ability to attach files to logins, but at $1 per month, it's still far more affordable than 1Password's $3 per month individual plan. That said, if you're looking to subscribe for your family, 1Password's Families plan is a no-brainer. It brings the monthly fee down to $1/person/month when paid annually. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.